Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next item to tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This looks like a block of wood, but the surprising thing is it's not. It's actually a light. It is an LED cordless wall sconce, wall light. You can use it in a lot of different places. It's just a really clever little design. Let me show you how it works. So first of all, right off the bat, it looks like a block of wood. This is the beechwood color. It's also a dark walnut color, but you can see it looks like a block of wood. However, right here on the front, you have a screen that's or kind of a front face. That's your light. That's where your light comes from. It's adjustable as well. On the bottom here, you have a little charging port that's USB-C. So there's a battery and a light in here, so you just charge it up. And then right here is a little mount. You say, what kind of mount is that? I've never seen anything like that. That's right, you haven't. The mount fits onto this. This is the base that you can then install on your wall, furniture, wherever you want to do. The base is a wooden base with a little metal ball on it. Now, the way this works is there's a couple different ways. You can mount this in several different ways. One, it has screws, so you can screw it into a wall if you need to, or like a bedboard or somewhere you have to, we want to actually just keep this thing permanently. It also comes with a little double-sided tape, so you can put double-sided tape and just kind of pop it on the wall just like that. You could go ahead and use some of that 3M stuff if you want, some of that stuff that pulls on and off. It even goes ahead and comes with a little magnet, so you can stick that on the back and then stick it onto metal things. You can mount it anywhere you want. Now, once it's mounted, here's how it works. This down here is a magnet. So what happens is it sticks. You say, well, gee, Tom, that looks kind of cool, but what's that really mean? It means you have super flexibility to move this thing all over the place. Watch. I'm going to mount it on the wall here. Look what I can do. I can do it like this, turn it like this. I can twist it 360 degrees to wherever I want the light to be. I can aim it down. I can aim it up. I can go sideways, left, right, whatever I need. Because it's magnet and it's on a little metal ball, you can turn wherever you want. Now, does it come off? You betcha. And when it comes off, sometimes you hit the button there, you can now use this as a flashlight. So you can walk around. I'll show you how to control the lighting in a second. You can walk around and kind of use it as a light as you're walking around. So what I'm thinking about doing is using this as a reading lamp. I'm going to put it on the little bedboard behind me, and then I'm going to go ahead and just have it up there. And then whenever I need to, I just turn it on. You just tap the on button to read it. Now, you may have noticed you have three different settings. There's one, there's two, it's a warmer light, and then here's three. It's kind of a mix of cool and warm. So you have cool, warm, and then a mix of cool and warm. You also have, if you press and hold the button down, it will get brighter. And then if you press and hold the button down again, it can get dimmer so that you can go ahead and adjust exactly what kind of light you need for a certain situation. Tap it again, and the whole thing turns off. So you can actually have this on your wall, mounted up here. I'm in my reading nook right now. It's another spot where I could do it. I can mount it up here. I just tap it, and now I have my light, and I say, gee, that's not very bright. Let me brighten it up a little bit. There we go. And now it's mounted on the wall, and now I can read things. I can see things. I say, oh, gee, what's over there? No problem. It's a cordless wall sconce. It really is pretty darn clever. Now, this is not all you get. Besides the light itself and the mounting base and the stickers and the magnets and everything to hold it in place, you also get charging cord. This is a little USB charging cord, USB-C on one side and USB-B on the other. You just go ahead and plug this into a USB charger, let it sit and charge. You can plug it into your laptop if you want. Let it sit and charge, and you will get hours and hours and hours of lights. I've been using this off and on for kind of a week, just kind of moving it around, playing around with it, and I haven't had a need for a charge yet. I suspect this thing would last, depending upon how much you use it, just hours, days, weeks, almost months, depending upon how often you use it. And then when you're done, when you need to charge it up, you just pull it off the base, plug it in here, and plug it into your USB port somewhere, let it go ahead and charge, and you're done, and then you pop it back on, and you're good for another couple weeks. So all that's well and good, especially if it's right here, you can just go ahead and reach and turn it. But what if you want to put these somewhere decorative? Maybe you want to put them maybe on the ceiling pointing down to kind of highlight art. You can kind of put them over a framed piece of art and kind of have them there. That's fine. This will work great for that. But you say, well, gee, my art's kind of big. I can't quite reach to it. No problem. You also get a remote control. The remote control gives you all the same ability that you can with the single switch here, plus some extra ability. So let's go ahead. Let's turn it on, Okay, here we go. I can change the color. There's a warmer color, there's a medium color, and there's a cooler color. I can change the brightness. There's a plus and a minus there. To go ahead and change the brightness, you can go ahead and change the color again. And then you also have timers. You have a half hour, 1 hour, and 2 hour. You press one of those and the lights will stay on that long, and then go ahead and turn themselves off. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off now. Boop, there we go. The remote is also included with it. These comes in sets of 1 or 2. I would recommend 2 if you're going to go ahead and put some wall sconces up just anywhere you want. They work really well. They look really neat. It's just kind of a fun. It's honestly just kind of a fun little lighting tool. Again, it looks like a block of wood. Really versatile. Moves all over the place. Just a beautiful aesthetic. It's just really a really nice wall sconce, little cordless LED light. I really enjoy this, and I highly recommend it.